Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Just going to show you what the next project is on my 1880s old farmhouse that we've been renovating. It's 3 stories. So my next project I want to work on is actually making better access going into the attic, which is access through this door right here. All right, let's get her open and we'll get some light on so we can see what's going on here. All right, so one of the issues I want to get taken care of, as you can see, it's got a little tight winding staircase to get up there. So what I'd like to do is actually change the layout of the staircase. So instead of going around a corner, it actually goes straight this direction, which behind here, a couple feet back, is a large chimney in the wall. That's taking a look down the stairs. So you can see how narrow it is. So if you ever want to bring some furniture up here, you just wouldn't be able to fit it due to the sharp bend. And again, this is the direction I want to have the staircase, so it's actually going straight up. And that's actually just showing the landing. Again, there's a small bedroom in here that looks out towards the back of the house, where I just use for storage right now. And that's looking down. And then you have a little front area. Kind of a little tunnel you got to go through to the front of the house. And then you have one more bedroom towards the front of the house. All right, so some holes in the wall. It was insulated about 15 years ago, so they had to cut some access panels in to get in between the walls. And it was insulated from the outside in where they put the holes in the walls. And then we had an inch of foam and Tyvek and then new siding put on. So again, this is looking out to the street. So my main project up here is we have this large chimney. And again, this is the 3rd floor of the house. So this is going through and there's a little attic above here. So the chimney was actually capped off 15 years ago. This is no longer functional or in use. We have a pellet stove. And so what I want to do is actually take this chimney out, and it would be taken out probably 5 more feet down. And then the staircase is going to come straight up and actually will come up right where this chimney's at. And this will be the new entrance into the attic here. And you can see there was a leak many years ago. Again, the chimney was capped 15 years ago when the new roof was put on. And you can see over the years, kids have put some drawings on it. I did the skull there. And the chimney is roughly 3 feet by 2 feet. It's a plaster over the bricks. And it's seen a lot better days. This hasn't been used for decades. So once we get back out into the hallway, the only way getting up into the attic area is through this tiny little hole. Now this has all been insulated above here. So there's some foam boards put around the entrance of the attic once you go up through, about a foot high, and it's all blown in insulation above here. So let's get this pushed up and see how it looks. You can see the foam boards. And there we go. So we'll get some light on so we can all see what's going on up there. And here we go. So there's the chimney that I need to take down. Again, I believe it's 19 bricks above the insulation. So I'm going to have to squeeze up here and take that down brick by brick. And I'll have to take it down below the ceiling in the 3rd story and take it down to between the 2nd and 3rd floor to make room for a staircase. Just a little look around the attic area. And you can see how big the old boards are compared to nowadays. So there's lots of insulation up here, which is really good to see. Nice thing, no sign of any animal droppings up here too, and it's nice and dry. This is just a short video on one of my future projects and taking down the old chimney. Again, we're going to take it down from the attic through the third floor and cap it off between the third and second floor, again to leave room for the new staircase. And I may end up having to look at taking part of the wall down here and sealing up this door here and just having the entrance coming right through here. So we'll look at that down the road. Anyways, just showing some of the future projects. Again, hopefully probably get this started the next month or so, maybe when it warms up a little bit, and then we'll be heading to the dump with a few loads of old bricks if nobody wants them. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If not, make sure your notifications are on, and we'll chat with you later. Take care.